cool.
It fun too.
You in the zone?
Oh, what in the zone? I'm in my own atmosphere. Only nigga know that every other nigga know with tattoos on my head. But yo, 2 blunts of kush, 3 cups of Amsterdam. You can tell the cops, but I won't give a damn. 2 blue dolphins and a double cheeseburger. I'm so geeked up that my alias is Urkel. I'm so far past my freaking flyer miles. I'm on cloud 9099. I'm so high that I don't wanna come down. But if I did, I'd float and hit the ground. My mind twisted up. I like I who me. Hater, you do you, and let your girl do me. I murder that ass and holler conspiracy. Then murder that pussy and get charged with felony. These niggas is misdemeanors. They ain't fucking with me. I'm on my grown man shit. These niggas is teasing. Rewind that line. These niggas is teasing. These niggas is misdemeanors. They ain't fucking with me. How much you wanna bet? Shit, come on, let's go. A custodian couldn't even touch my flow. And all you grown people out there, quit acting like kids. You see, it is what it was before it even wasn't. Under the influence and over the speed limit, no jail, couldn't see me, never get my wrist cuff fitted. Why be behind them when I spit them? I eat a beat, regurgitate, floss my teeth in. Repeat the feast, food for your brain, let your ear do the dishes. Haters quit hating, and bitches quit bitching. I'm untolerated by the ones who fake it. I can demonstrate great with a high demonstration. Don't be naive that I'm a shining individual. Manipulating words till it sounded so subliminal. You may say I'm rhyming, but I'm feeling that I'm lyrical. And if I was an octopus, you could suck my tentacle. Made in the USA, them niggas made in China. When they go to grab their dick, they probably grabbing on vagina. They ain't gotta like me cause I don't like them either. Bitch, die slow, promethazine and ether. I'm about as high as 102 niggas, Mr. 17 letter. I'm the real cute nigga. You can try to holler at me if you want some. Fucking go crazy, hype it in, dumb.